All right, we're on the very first moderate exercise. Now we're gonna have a little bit more sharper turns. So we're gonna go around this next cone on the left, go around this middle cone, around these two cones, and it's almost like a big loop. Okay, so let's familiarize ourselves on this first one and try to go for time on the second run to hopefully beat our buddy or beat our own time. Here we go. So around this cone, around this middle cone, around these two cones, around all these cones. Now we can exit out, so I'm gonna give it some power. 14.74, all right, here we go. Same thing, now we familiarize, around, 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 around. Here we go, this is the snake. So around, I'm gonna cut this one a little bit sharp. I'm gonna go around these cones, I'm looking. And we're gonna go ahead and accelerate out. When your nose is pointed towards you want to go ahead and give it some speed. 13.4. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. It's called the boxer's glove.